Hello, today we will introduce the silicone sealant machine line. Okay, follow me. This is the silicone mixture. Have a 3 motor, high speed motor, lower speed motor. And then you can have a look. Now the high speed motor working now. And this is the lower speed motor for mixing the silicone. Then this is the PLC controller for the dispersion motor and the mixing. This is the inverter to control the speed. This is the material temperature to control the temperature as the products need. If the PLC broken, you will have the plan B. This button by hand so that the production will not stop. This is the press machine, hydraulic press machine to put the finished products out. This is the 200-liter drum. The finished silicone will connect it with the semi-automatic machine. Okay, I show you. Like this. Cylinder, and then the cover. It will be finished. Why it will have a 2-cylinder? Because he can fill in the different color silicone, like the black color silicone and the transparent color. And this is the mixing tank with the double jacket. This hole is for the water cooling. The water come in and the water out for cooling well the products. Okay. And this is the sausage full automatic filling machine. The silicone glue come here through the cylinder, through the fuel, and then it will cover here. This is the finished products. Okay, that is all.